Hey guys, thanks for watching the channel again here at Side Hustle Pursuit. Look, if you're looking to get into print on demand, there's many companies to work with, but TeePublic in particular is special. Why? Because it's easy to get on, and of course they've got a variety of stuff just like many others. T-shirts, tank tops, hoodies, kids apparel, masks, home goods, all that kind of great stuff. But the point is this, is that once you've logged in, once you've signed up and you've got an account, you can start posting stuff right away. So what you're going to do is, when you first get to teepublic.com, you're going to go to designer sign up. So go ahead and click on that. Once you click on that, you can go ahead and put in your email address. Once you put in your email address, you click create account. So let's just give you an example here. I already have an account. So you put your email in, click create an account, and then you're going to fill out all the rest of this stuff here. Once you fill that out and click create my account. So once you do that, you get an email from the company, and basically that will just verify who you are. And that's really as easy as it gets for the quick sign up part there. Again, once you sign up, you can get going there. And the beautiful thing about this is that TeePublic makes it super simple for you to go ahead and post your stuff right away. If you guys want to see more videos about TeePublic and not just signing up, but finding out how to sell actual designs, be sure to subscribe to this channel because there will be more videos displaying stuff just like this. Thanks again for watching. See you soon.